Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Mainstay Suites here in Watford City, North Dakota. We got ThyssenKrupp in around. Now I'm going to say this like I said in the beginning of the Dickinson videos. All of these hotels in this part of the state were built within the past 10-ish years or so. And here it is. Ah, yes. Hopefully it used to be single floor. You can clearly tell these were single floor before. It's not one with Atoll buttons. It's definitely a nice and quick elevator. Atoll buttons. If someone called it, so we're in the video here.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
We're talking 35, 40 year old. And in decent shape, not deep, I think. Not no health condition. And he spent a little over a week.
And I guess that is going to be it for me.